Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Caitlin and today we're going to be tackling our spare bedroom as well as our very messy spare closet. As you can see, it is almost filled to the top of stuff, and that is because we PCS'd from San Diego to Virginia over the last summer, and I don't know if you guys are military or not, but PCS means permanent change of station, and generally when that happens it is a very just all over the place experience, and so stuff didn't get unpacked. It just kind of got shoved into this room and this closet. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going through unpacking everything and throwing a lot of it away or donating it so that we can move into our new place here in a couple days. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope it motivates you to get up and get moving. And if you have a closet like this or anything that you need to tackle in your house that you haven't been doing, I hope this motivates you to just get up and do it. And you can go ahead and play the video and do it along with me and have fun cleaning.
It was years ago, but I still see your face. Freckles on your cheeks, how you talked in your sleep. We had plans and I was your biggest dream, yeah. Then I didn't call for weeks, thought the love wasn't for me, no. I still think of you.
I apologize if you guys noticed the guy walking back and forth in the window. He was doing some landscaping outside, and we don't have blinds on that window because our landlord never replaced them. And like I said in a previous video, we were moving because he wasn't the best and the house wasn't in the best shape, and that was another reason why. So I just wanted to address that so that no one said anything, and I do apologize if you find it distracting.
Please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life.
Yeah. Not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said, just a one-time thing. It won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win.
In this closet, we literally have everything from stuff that we used to take to the beach in San Diego to things that we got from my in-laws in Arkansas when we drove across the country, and we just have everything in between. I have a work bag in there, we've got our suitcases in there, just like anything you can think of. And it's so crazy to me because this stuff sat in here for about 8 months now and we haven't needed it at all, and part of me just wanted to donate all of it, but I decided that I just needed to go through everything and see what was there, and I'm glad that I did.
Find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you.
all of this stuff was in our closet because before we left for San Diego, we had to pack up some things for us to live with a friend for about 6 weeks before we drove across the country. So there was a good mix of stuff in there, and of course we pulled out all the essential things that we needed, and the rest of it I just ended up shoving in a closet because after we got out here and got settled in Virginia, all of our furniture came from the movers, and that was like a whole big thing. So that's why everything is in the closet, and I'm glad I'm finally tackling it. And I'm really excited to move into this new house and not do that, and just to keep everything more organized and put everything in a place of its own.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. So meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling So hit me up, you know it's all I'm waiting for. Oh, would you hit me up?
So here I'm just stripping the bed, taking the sheets off so that I can go ahead and wash them, and then the video is going to transition into the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and make the bed and get everything situated. And that foam padding on the mattress, I decided that I didn't want it. We actually cut it from a king size bed and made it fit on this queen, and it just really made the bed hard to make, and we didn't need it, so I just decided to get rid of it and be done with it. Here I'm vacuuming the bed. I highly recommend vacuuming your mattress. Not every time you change your sheets, but maybe once a month or so when you're spring cleaning, definitely. This just helps get any kind of like animal hair, if you have that, dust, anything like that that's under your sheets. It just helps gets that off of there so that there's no buildup.
People always told me I need someone like you, someone who gets me and someone who's cool, yeah. And I like the way you are, and now I want it all.
So as you can see, these sheets are super wrinkly. I ended up letting them sit in the dryer overnight so they weren't fresh out of the dryer, so that's why they got all wrinkled. But I'm about to show you one of my best kept secrets or tricks, whatever you want to call it, for anything wrinkly, whether it's your bed or a shirt or some pants, anything like that. Go get yourself a bottle of this. It is Downy Wrinkle Release Spray. I'm about to show it to you guys here in a minute, but you can literally spray it on anything that is wrinkly. You can shake it out, you can smooth it out with your hand, and in just a matter of it drying, it is going to smooth out whatever it is that's wrinkled, and it's also going to freshen it up a little bit, and it's going to smell nice and clean, even cleaner than it was before you sprayed it. So you can get that at Walmart, you can probably get it at your grocery store, you can definitely get it at Target, but this stuff is amazing. And let's be real, y'all, I know I'm not the only one who leaves clothes in the dryer or sheets in the dryer and lets them get wrinkled, so you need this in your life.
People always told me I need someone like you, someone who gets me and someone who's cool, yeah. And I like the way you are, I just like the way you are, yeah. All the ways you blow my mind, yeah. People always told me I need someone like you, someone who gets me and someone who's cool, yeah. And I like the way you are, and now I want it all. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the.
So I totally forgot that the movers had shoved clothes into our dresser and just like other things. There was towels and stuff in there when we moved. I ended up taking those out when they brought the furniture back, but they did leave clothes and stuff in there, so I had to go through them and decide what needed to be kept and what needed to be gotten rid of. So that's what I'm doing here.
Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that
Another spring cleaning thing that you should definitely do is clean your fans. I honestly did not realize how nasty the fans in the house were until I turned them off. So they were disgusting, but we run them all the time, and when they're on all the time, you can't really tell how dirty they are. So definitely give those a wipe down and you'll feel a lot better.
We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
So here is the room all clean, the bed is fresh, the closet's all cleaned out, and it looks amazing. I'm so glad I finally tackled this project. I'm not gonna lie, it took me a day and a half to do, but it feels really good, and now I know when we move, our transition is gonna be so much easier, and like I said, I'm gonna be so much more focused on being organized in our new house. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys are busy cleaning or doing whatever that keeps you busy during this quarantine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.